Building a custom framework for Selenium tests. Hello again, welcome back to H2 Kinfosis. In our final video of this series, we're going to learn how to build a custom framework for Selenium tests using Java. Let's get started. Introduction to frameworks. A custom framework helps you organize and maintain your test code efficiently. It typically includes components like test data management, reporting, and reusable libraries. Let's start by setting up a basic framework structure. Setting up the framework structure. Here's an example of a basic framework structure. RC. Main. Java. Com. My framework. Pages. Login page.java. Utils. WebDriver manager.java. Tests. Login test.java. Test. Java. Com. My framework. Base test.java. Login test.java. Creating a WebDriver manager class. First, let's create a WebDriver manager class to manage the WebDriver setup and teardown. Packagecom.myframework.utils. Support org.opencode.selenium.webdriver. Import org.opencode.selenium.chrome.chromedriver. Public class WebDriver manager. Private static WebDriver driver. Public static WebDriver getDriver. If driver null. System.setProperty WebDriver.chrome.driver. Path to Chrome driver. Driver new Chrome driver. Return driver. Public static void quit driver. If driver. Null. Driver.quit. Driver null. Creating a baseTest class. Next, let's create a baseTest class to handle common setup and teardown operations. Packagecom.myframework.tests. Import com.myframework.utils.webDriver manager. Import org.openk.selenium.webdriver. Import org.testing.annotations.after method. Import org.testing.annotations.before method. Public class baseTest. Protected WebDriver driver. Set before method. Public void setup. Setup. Driver WebDriver manager.getDriver. At after method. Public void teardown. WebDriver manager.quitDriver. Creating a test class. Finally, let's create a test class that extends baseTest and uses the page object model. Packagecom.myframework.tests. Import com.myframework.pages.login page. Import org.testing.annotations.test. Public class login test extends baseTest. At test. Public void test login. Driver.get http://example.com/login. At test. Public void test login. Driver.get http://example.com/login. Login page new login page driver. Login page.enter username user1. Login page.enter password pass1. Login page.click submit. Add assertions to verify login. This basic framework helps you organize your test code and makes it more maintainable. You can extend it with features like custom reporting, data-driven testing, and more. Thanks for joining us on this Selenium with Java journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.